Hello friends, greetings. Welcome to How to LN channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to schedule a auto task for stats during a custom maintenance window or custom window instead of default maintenance window. Normally during my exercises, I actually execute the commands live and I show you, but today instead, I already completed the execution, but I still wanted to show you how it works. And I just wanted to brief you on why will you need such a requirement first of all. There may be an ask from client or customer such that there may be application batch jobs or some sort of scheduled maintenance from application running at the same window as our database maintenance window. The database maintenance window during the working days in 19C is 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. in the night. And in the weekends, it will start from 6 a.m. and it will run for 20 hours. This is the actual maintenance window that is default schedule in the database, which is called default maintenance window. Now you wanted to change this default maintenance window for working days alone, and that too only for statistics, not for the segment advisor or SQL tuning advisor. So let's see how it happens in this particular scenario. The reference for this doc action is Oracle Note 1300 313.1. Okay, so these are the various instructions. So what we do at high level in this overall procedure is we will evaluate what is the current setup, and then we will disable the auto task for stats from Monday to Friday maintenance window. We will disable the auto task for stats from Monday to Friday maintenance window. Then we will create a new schedule, a schedule which will run from Monday to Friday, and it will run for 4 hours. And then it will start at 10 p.m. or the time that you wanted. Say for instance in my scenario, I set it up at 2 a.m. in the morning, Monday to Friday. So it will start on Monday 2 a.m. and it will run for 1 hour or 3 hours, whatever time that I wanted to run. And then it will repeat itself on every working day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Start time is 2 a.m. and the duration of the job, whatever that we are calling out. So first step, we disable the existing schedule, then we create a new schedule. And then when you create a new schedule, the default action is all the default auto tasks gets activated during that maintenance window. The last step is that we need to disable the segment advisor and SQL tuning advisor during the new custom maintenance window we created. Simple. Let's see how it happens. As a first step, we evaluate using this command what are our existing setup. You can see here. You can see here, since I am showing this as of Friday, so the next maintenance window is Friday 28 June. Next is Saturday, Sunday, again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So you can see here we have the this is optimizer statistics. You can see here optimizer statistics is enabled in all the maintenance window from Friday until Thursday, including the Saturday Sunday weekends. So it's not disabled anywhere. The next thing we need to do is we need to disable the Monday window. So when you disable the Monday window, you can see here the Monday window got disabled. I have the command, the screens on which I executed the command. I can show you here. Right? But it will be very confusing you if I show you this in the black screen. So you can see here all of these are enabled, and we disabled it only for Monday, and then we are disabling it for rest all days. Alright, you see here Friday is disabled, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all days are disabled. So that's what we do here. After it's disabled in all the working days, we create a new schedule. This is create window. So the actual Oracle note may have a command mistake. I fixed it in my blog, and you'll be able to see my blog as well with the same content in Oracle DBA Blogspot, oracledbaplanner.blogspot.com. How to move auto tasks for stats to a custom schedule for working days. Ensure the other auto tasks are not impacted. So here also you will see this command. So I'll publish the URLs in the video note section. You can take a look. Okay, this create window schedule. You will see I am putting stats workday window. So I'm going to create an window for auto task for statistics. Um, so that's this window. And how am I creating? And the resource plan is default maintenance plan. The frequency is daily. And when and all you want to execute this, I want this to execute on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you want to limit it to only one day, mention that particular day. By when you want to start the job, by 2 o'clock in the morning, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. And the duration of the window is 2 hours. So this is what it is. And next, you can see this code executed successfully. Okay, and then next one is we need to set the attributes for the window. We need to activate it. So we are setting the window to active, which is true. We are activating the window, and then we are setting the time zone also to the default time zone. I think this is the time zone on which the machine is alive. So we setting it to the time zone. So this is completed. Next, we need to add this window to the maintenance window group. So this window that we created now is added to the maintenance window group. When you do this, you will see the auto task. Unless you do this, you will not see this window getting reflected in DB auto task window clients. Remember, unless you do this command add window group member, you will not see the new window that you created under DB auto task window clients. This is important because when you do this command only, all the auto task gets itself associated with this stats with this new window that we created. Alright, so this is done now, and you can see here stats workday window got created, and you can see the window is not active, it is enabled, and it is enabled for optimizer statistics, segment advisor, and SQL tuning advisor. All three got enabled. But our objective is what? We wanted to move only the optimizer statistics. We don't want to move the segment advisor, SQL tuning advisor. See, we did not disable segment advisor, SQL tuning advisor from Monday to Friday schedule also. So we should not disturb them or disturb their schedule. So we have to disable these two schedule. How do we do it? We run the same DBMS auto task admin disable space advisor SQL tuning advisor for stats workday window. If you do that, automatically you see these commands executed successfully. You see them now for the stats workday window. The segment advisor and SQL tuning advisor both are disabled. Whatever I am showing you guys in this notepad section, you will see the same in the blog content as well. Much more in a formatted way. That's all. So now we have completed this action. Now we really wanted to see how this executes. We cannot wait until Monday because I have already went past the Friday schedule. So now my job will not run tonight. It will run only on the Monday morning. But I wanted to be sure that Monday 2 a.m. there will be no one to monitor this job. I wanted to ensure my new schedule works as expected. So what I do is I create a new schedule called Stats Friday window, and I get this executed at 15 hours. It was just 3 minutes past my actual test routine setup. So I created a new window. I did the same. Say here I created a new window. I enabled it. I associated the default maintenance window. I disabled both the space advisor and tuning advisor, and the output is below. Alright, once it is done, you can see here stats Friday window was activated, and it is disabled for segment advisor and tuning advisor, and optimizer alone got active. Once this is activated, I was waiting until 3 p.m. and as soon as it was 3 p.m. I can see the window got started. So this is client history. I'm validating. In window got started, and window was lasting for 3 minutes, 3 hour 43 minutes because it was still open. By I think the window duration was 2 hours. So after 2 hours only window will close. Maybe we will see now. I think 5 o'clock only window will close. It will still be open only, I think, because it's 4:21 only. And you can see here the job history. It will show you how long actually the job executed. The job executed only for 46 seconds. And so yeah, job duration was Let me show you. Yeah, 56 seconds. Sorry, not 46 seconds. It was 56 seconds. So after 56 seconds, the job finished. How do I know whether the job really did what it is expected to? I saw the last analyzed timestamp on the DBA tables, and they were all updated properly. 168 tables got latest statistics as of 28 June 2024. I never had auto task running during off business hours because my laptop was shut down at the time. So the only window that it ran was the window that I had my laptop running now and my test routine. So this is validated, and you can see auto task. There is another view that you can run to validate it, and you can see here what is the auto task for statistics does. It does run the gather stats program. So this is it, guys. This is how you validate your routine also, that it works fine, so that you don't have to worry about next time. And you can actually disable um the routine that you created for test. Maybe I'll add it as into the appendix section. Like I mentioned, whatever I've been giving you, the instruction, whatever I was sharing you, all were executed here. I'll show you in the bottom. You can see here, this is the same numbers I showed you. Okay, so just show you a screen walkthrough. You can see here stats Friday window, disable, and it was enabled for automatic task, auto task for stats alone. So we can see like this, and the other view outputs are in the another screen. So all this information are very well documented, and they are kept here. You can see, if you want, you can come back to this URL and take a look. This is nicely formatted, and there are much more blog contents here. If you wish, you can go take a look at my blog, which is oracledbaplanner.blogspot.com, and my channel how to VLN in the YouTube for more useful videos. Thanks for joining with me today, and if you like this video, really give me a thumbs up and subscribe to How to VLN channel. Thank you all. Bye.